Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can merge your videos with your audio in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to find a video here, for instance this one, and I want to merge it with like a song or like an audio of you saying something, but I'm just going to select audio here, and I'm going to select a song for this, maybe this one. I'm going to download it, and I'm going to add it to the timeline. So I want to, for instance, merge it on this side. Let me just turn off the main track magnet, and here I'm going to split the song into the same duration as the video. I'm then going to place it back here. I'll select both of them. You're then going to select right click, and then you're going to select create compound clip, or you can select Alt G on your keyboard, and it's going to merge your video and your audio. And that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!